Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on the 6th of January, 2025, and now we are here to present a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 7th, 2024, our system has identified BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.10. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 147.84% since we first designated BigBear.ai Holdings as a buy candidate 40 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.7% per day since the initial recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 125.92% over the next 3 months, suggesting possible returns ranging from around 65.13% to 162.14%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of about 9.43% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 65.32% and 22.58%. This translates to a price range from approximately $1.49 to $5.27 after a year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Significant movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Monday, fluctuating by over 11% between high and low." The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price experienced a decline of just over 5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, dropping from $4.53 to $4.30. Throughout the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 11.66%, with a low of $4.29 and a high of $4.79. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by over 52% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, volume also fell on the last day, which is actually a promising sign, as volume typically follows stock movement. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 42 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $178 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $5.20, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 17.31%, or 90 cents, below the 52-week high, and 73.33%, or $11.82, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, has recently undergone significant fluctuations in its stock performance. Following its public debut 3 years ago, through a special purpose acquisition company merger, shares reached a peak of $12.69 in April 2022, but fell below $1 by the end of the previous year. However, the company experienced a remarkable turnaround in 2024, with the stock rising 128% over the year. Recent analyst reports indicate a potential price target of $7, reflecting renewed optimism surrounding the stock, which currently trades around $5. This surge in interest aligns with the broader growth of the artificial intelligence sector, which expanded from $136 billion in 2023 to $184 billion in 2024, with projections reaching $827 billion by 2030. The stock displayed rapid gains in the last weeks of December, with increases of over 19%, indicating strong investor interest despite broader market sell-offs. In the short term, these developments could encourage more traders to enter positions in BBAI, potentially driving the stock price higher. Long-term, the optimistic outlook from analysts may solidify investor confidence if the company successfully capitalizes on the expanding AI market. Overall, BBAI's trajectory will largely depend on its ability to sustain growth and demonstrate its value within the competitive landscape of AI analytics. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy rating to BBAI along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again gave BBAI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell classification. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $4.41. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $2.99. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, December 30th, 2024, with the stock having fallen by 10.6% thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically tracks price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 58 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 66 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 81 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $4.21. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 500 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 11.66%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 17.82%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -5 cents. It is important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $4.45. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $4.21. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 2,067 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2024, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 1,033 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2024, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider sale of 1,411 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2024, Peffer Julie conducted an insider sale of 3,001 shares of common stock. On December 31, 2024, Long Amanda conducted an insider sale of 71,665 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 93.458. Overall, insiders purchased 3,911,463 shares and sold 104,367,522 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $4.06, reflecting a decline of 5.66%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which translates to a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for BigBear.ai Holdings stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 7th of January, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open at 160 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $4.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.